So hello namaskar everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Ritika. Today in this video we'll be doing a project overview of Krishala 41 Zoe Hinjewadi, which is located near Hinjewadi Phase 2 Hinjewadi Pune and developed by Krishala developers. So in this video we'll be discussing about below points, which is project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But before letting you the details, let me tell you first what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developer, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms, if you're just doing an inquiry, your number will be shared with different brokers, resulting a lot of calls. Well, Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly with the developer. So book your dream home directly with the developer through Housey. तो चलिए हम बात करते हैं प्रोजेक्ट ओवरव्यू के बारे में. Krishala 41 Zoe will be constructed on 2.5 acres of land parcel consisting of 3 towers. Each tower will be having ground plus 6 podium plus 30 floors with 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium residences. And now let's talk about the connectivity and surrounding of the project. As you can see, I am here at the location ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट. आप देख सकते हैं मेरे बैक एंड साइड में ही रहेगा इनका सेल्स ऑफिस, और सेल्स ऑफिस के साथ ही जो रोड कनेक्ट हो रही है, अगर आप स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्डली आप फॉलो करते हैं तो आपको लैंड पार्सल कनेक्ट हो जाता है. कमिंग टू द लोकेशन पार्ट, प्रोजेक्ट इज जस्ट लोकेटेड नियर लक्ष्मी चौक रोड, हिंजेवाड़ी फेज 2 हिंजेवाड़ी पुणे. और अगर हम कनेक्टिविटी की बात करते हैं, आपको कनेक्टिविटी मिल जाती है पाल कॉर्पोरेशन मेट्रो स्टेशन विद इन 260 मीटर्स, डी मार्ट विद इन 2 किलोमीटर and Phoenix Mall of Millennium within 4.1 km. And now coming to the amenities part of the project has 30 plus luxurious amenities like swimming pool, kids play area, senior sit-up area, multi-purpose court, indoor games and many more. And now moving forward towards the carpet area of the project has 2 and 3 BHK premium residences and 2 BHK is starting from 735 to 817 square feet and 3 BHK is starting from 1002 to 1195 square feet carpet area. And now let's talk about the booking process of the project. Project booking windows is open now. Clients can come and visit the site also. Our sales team will explain the complete project along with the 3D model and will share the pricing and payment schedule along with the location tour of the project. And then if clients like the project, we can continue with the booking process also. So everyone, this was the project overview of Krishala 41 Zoe Hinjewadi, which is located near Hinjewadi Phase 2 Hinjewadi Pune and developed by Krishala developers. और अगर आपने ये लोकेशन में कोई प्रोजेक्ट्स देखे हैं या देखना चाहते हैं तो do let us know in the comment section, and for more such videos click on the given below link and do like, share and subscribe to Housey on www.housey.com.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.